Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Now today's tip of the week is a term known as pocket listings. And a pocket listing is essentially a listing that is deliberately withheld from the MLS. So you want to sell your house, but I don't put it in the MLS. I market it privately. That's called a pocket listing. Now, this is not inherently illegal. There's no law that says every property listed with a broker has to be put inside of the MLS. That's not true. However, MLS rules do state that unless I have the seller's written consent, I do actually have to put all my properties in the MLS. So a pocket listing without the seller's consent is a violation of the MLS rules. It's not a violation of the real estate law per se, but it is a violation of the MLS rules. Now, maybe you're dealing with a very high-end seller. Maybe you're dealing with a $30 million property with a $7 million art collection and a $5 million car collection, and they don't want the property in the MLS and all the pictures of their home and the inside of their home on Facebook and Instagram and on YouTube. The seller could give me written consent. There's a form for that called an SELM form that basically says that the seller is authorizing us to not put it on the MLS. But without such written documentation, it would be a violation of the MLS rules. So two questions real quick. Number one, what is a pocket listing? A pocket listing is a listing that is deliberately withheld from the MLS. Is it illegal? No, but it could be a violation of the MLS rules unless you have written authorization from the seller.